Hello, welcome once again to my channel. Are you looking for easy recipe for your guests during this time? Well, here I have Nigerian African small chop new recipe and how to make commercial delicious of exactly what you see on the screen. Keep watching because it's going to be yummy. Watch to the end, everyone, and let's dive into it. So first, I will sieve my all-purpose flour. The full ingredients, their measurements, that is their quantity, will be at the description bars. So first is all-purpose flour, sieve thoroughly so to avoid lumps. Next, I'll go in with my sugar. Add sugar according to the quantity or according to your taste, but like I said, the quantity will be at the description box. Next, for this commercial or your finger chops, I add milk flavor and then half teaspoon of salt, then my instant yeast. Don't forget, all the full quantity will be at the description box, and don't forget to check to get all. Next, I added my vanilla flavor to give it a tasty and flavoring taste, Remember, it is for your guests and also for commercials, so customers will always want to buy more. After that, I mix to combine for 2 to 3 minutes. Hello all my Jenny subscribers, thanks so much for your wonderful support, and if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. This is Nigerian African small chops we are making with new recipe. So next I'll go in with room temperature water. Here the temperature is so high, the weather is so hot, so but if you live in an area where it is cool, you can use warm water, not hot, not cold, and then begin to mix. This is where you have to apply a bit of your energy, When was the last time you have this or give this to your kids or your guests? Well, it's so easy to make, and if you want to make it for commercial purposes, this is very nice. I added milk flavor to take the taste to another level from what you usually eat, the normal puff everyone eats. So we will mix this until it is blend. Now here you have to mix till all lumps blends together, exactly what you see me do. And after mixing it, I'll be allowing this to rise. If you can keep yours in a one place, here like I said, it is sunny, so I will allow it to stay under the sun for 30 to 50 minutes. And after that, you notice it's rise, it's changed, the batter changes to become a little bit fluffy compared to what it was. Now let's go into frying. So to fry it in a clean pan, after placing it on fire, I go in with my vegetable oil. Use any vegetable oil of your choice, olive oil, any oil you would like to. Like I said, it's a very nice way to make your puff. I tried using milk flavor and it was superb, and I said, let me share with you all my friends and family, and a bit of vanilla too. All the food quantity will be at the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Keep watching and don't go away. And once the the oil gets hot, we begin to fry it. Well, like I said, it is for commercial purposes, so I made lots of this, but I just showed you a bit of it, how to put in your butter into the hot oil, and once it turns golden brown, take it up and repeat the process till all the butter you mix finish, and your puff is ready and to serve your guests and for your parties, So this is it. After frying, I fried lots of it, but I just said, let me show you how you could fry it. I have another link down below on how to make your puff very fast. All right, everyone, thanks so much, Jenny subscriber, for watching. I hope this video was helpful using milk flavor and vanilla to make your puff to give it another taste, to take it to another level, so that if you make it for commercial purpose, the customers can always come and your guests can always ask for more. All right, stay safe, stay connected, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye, and see you all in the next video. Bye for now.